Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of tasks and deadlines involved in a project? If so, you're certainly not alone. Keeping projects organized and on track can be a major challenge, which is why you should always create a clear project timeline. A project management timeline is a visual representation of the tasks, milestones, and deadlines that must be fulfilled to successfully complete a project. In this video, we'll walk through 8 simple steps to create a robust project management timeline that will help you deliver your project on schedule and within budget. Let's get started. Step 1. Agree on a project scope statement. Before you create your project management timeline, it's important to establish the scope of the project. Write a succinct project scope statement that lists all the deliverables that are expected to be produced by the end of the project. Defining the scope in this way will provide a concrete foundation for the project management process. For example, suppose you and your friends are making cupcakes for a bake sale. Your project scope statement could be to produce 90 cupcakes in total, including 30 chocolate cupcakes, 30 vanilla cupcakes, and 30 red velvet cupcakes. Step 2. Determine a work breakdown structure. Once you've written your project scope statement, the next step is to plan a work breakdown structure. To do this, divide the deliverables in your project scope statement into fundamental components. At this stage, it's not necessary to specify individual tasks. Instead, focus on segmenting the deliverables into more manageable pieces called work packages. Returning to our cupcake example, your work breakdown structure could include the following work packages. 1. Ingredient gathering. 2. Batter preparation. 3. Baking. And 4. Frosting. Step 3. Convert each work package into a list of tasks. With your work breakdown structure in hand, identify the tasks that need to be performed to bring each work package to fruition. Group the tasks into corresponding to-do lists for each work package, and take note of any similar tasks that are repeated across work packages. This will help you analyze the project dependencies in the next step. So in our cupcake example, the ingredients work package could be converted into the following tasks. 1. Review the recipes. 2. Calculate the ingredient quantities needed. 3. Create a shopping list. And 4. Buy the ingredients from a local supermarket. Step 4. Map the project dependencies. A project dependency refers to a causal relationship in which a task can only be started once a preceding task is finished. For example, when making cupcakes, you can't mix the batter until you've obtained the ingredients. In complex projects, pinpointing all the dependencies can be somewhat confusing. So you should map out all of the tasks within a flowchart or diagram to help you visualize the order of events. To demonstrate, here's a simple project dependency flowchart. Notice how the project advances through dependent stages as the tasks are sequentially completed. Step 5. Quantify the time requirement for each task. After you've completed your task list and dependency diagram, go through the action items and determine how many hours each task will take to complete. If you're unsure how long a particular task will take, reach out to the responsible party and ask them to estimate how much time they'll need. With a project time tracking tool like ClickTime, you can pull budget and timeline reports of similar projects you've completed in the past. ClickTime's historical data will quickly show you how long each task took during your previous project. This way, you'll know if your upcoming estimates are realistic or not. Step 6. Assess resource availability. Often, a primary constraint you'll face is the availability of your team members and other stakeholders. So when creating your project management timeline, consider each individual's bandwidth to devote time to a particular task. Even if an assignment only requires a single day of concentrated effort, you may need to extend the time frame considerably if there are other concurrent projects taking place. To view your employees' upcoming availability, you can use a resource management tool like ClickTime. ClickTime will show you employee capacity at a glance, taking vacation days and absences into account. And when it's time to allocate resources, you can assign project hours to your employees directly from ClickTime's resource management interface. These project hours will show up in their timesheet dashboard, so your team will always know what projects they should be working on. Step 7. Designate project milestones. Milestones are key events on the project timeline that indicate progress toward your overarching goal. Delineating milestones can help you monitor the overall development of the project from start to finish. If a milestone is delayed, you'll know that the project is behind schedule, and you can then respond accordingly. Step 8. Create your project management timeline. When you've completed the previous steps, you'll have everything you need to put together your official project timeline. Start by arranging all the tasks in chronological order based on the dependency structure. Then use a Gantt chart to denote the time required for each task. And finally, add your milestones along the bottom of the timeline so they stand out. And there you have it, a clear, organized timeline to guide your project from beginning to end. If you'd like to increase the accuracy of your project timelines, check out ClickTime. Our time tracking and resource management software makes scoping, planning, and managing projects a breeze. Visit clicktime.com for more info.